Herbs that improve memory and focus.
Pięknie.
Welcome back to Best Life Channel, your go-to source for the best health and treatment tips. Today we're exploring a topic that resonates with many of us, memory and focus. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking to enhance your cognitive abilities, the right herbs can make a significant difference. So let's dive into the top herbs that can help improve memory and focus. Number 1, ginkgo biloba. First up is ginkgo biloba. This ancient herb has been used for centuries to enhance cognitive function. Research shows that ginkgo biloba improves blood circulation to the brain, which can help boost memory and focus. A study published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology found that participants who took ginkgo experienced significant improvements in cognitive performance. You can take it in capsule form or enjoy it as a tea. Number 2, Bacopa monnieri. Next, we have Bacopa monnieri, a powerhouse herb in Ayurvedic medicine. This herb is renowned for its ability to enhance memory and cognitive function. Studies, including one published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, have shown that Bacopa can improve memory retention and recall in healthy adults. Add it to your daily routine as a supplement or in powdered form mixed with smoothies. Number 3, rhodiola rosea. Rhodiola rosea is another fantastic herb for boosting cognitive performance. Known as an adaptogen, it helps the body manage stress and improve mental clarity. Research published in the journal Phytomedicine shows that rhodiola can enhance attention and focus, especially during stressful situations. You can find it in capsules or as a tincture, perfect for those busy days. Number 4, gotu kola. Gotu kola is an herb celebrated for its cognitive-enhancing properties. Often used in traditional medicine, gotu kola is believed to improve memory and concentration. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology suggests that this herb can help enhance cognitive function and memory retention. You can consume it in capsule form or steep it as a tea for a calming effect. Number 5, peppermint. Next on our list is peppermint. The invigorating scent of peppermint can help enhance memory and alertness. Research published in the International Journal of Neuroscience found that inhaling peppermint aroma can improve memory and cognitive performance. You can enjoy peppermint tea or use peppermint essential oil in a diffuser while studying or working. Number 6, sage. Sage is not just a culinary herb, it's also known for its cognitive benefits. Studies have shown that sage can improve memory and mental performance. One study published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology found that participants who took sage extract performed better on memory tasks. You can use sage in cooking or brew it as a tea for a fragrant, brain-boosting drink. Number 7, turmeric. Turmeric, often praised for its anti-inflammatory properties, is also great for brain health. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. Research published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that curcumin can enhance memory and attention in older adults. Add turmeric to your meals, or take it as a supplement for optimal benefits. Number 8, holy basil. Last but not least, holy basil, also known as tulsi, is revered for its numerous health benefits. This herb is known to reduce stress and anxiety while enhancing cognitive function. Research published in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine suggests that holy basil can improve mental clarity and focus. You can enjoy it as a tea or incorporate it into your meals for a flavorful boost. There you have it. 8 incredible herbs that can help improve memory and focus. Incorporating these herbs into your diet can enhance your cognitive abilities and help you stay sharp. Remember, while herbs can support brain health, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep for overall cognitive wellness. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. What herbs do you love to boost your memory and focus? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.